Welcome back to another video in our Money Sprites project. And this is the third video, and this is where we add an item to our shop for our Money Sprites game. So we're going to go choose a sprite, and I'm going to choose a food item that is a fruit. And we'll start with the strawberry. So here's my strawberry. When I click the green flag, my game begins. My player code is all on my player Devin here. And the strawberry is going to be up in this top corner. We need to add some information, some code to this sprite to make it work so that when the player touches it, it asks the person who's playing the game the question about what coins it costs and how much they're worth. So here's the strawberry, and we need the green flag event from the events category, this tab, when green flag is clicked. It's the first one. And inside of looks, we have to scroll way down to find this block, show. If you don't have show, it's because you're not clicked on the sprites. If you're on the stage, you only have some of these purple looks blocks. So make sure you're on the sprite. We only code sprites. When green flag is clicked, show. And we need a forever loop, which is in control. The forever loop makes it so that no matter what order the player goes to the items, it will always ask them the question. So we do that with the forever loop. So as long as the game's running, if is our conditional check. It checks a condition. Is it true? Is it happening? If so, then what do we do? So a condition example for if then is if it's sunny outside, then I wear sunglasses. If it's not sunny, I won't be wearing sunglasses. So if then goes inside the forever, and we get this sensing block. It's the first one that says touching mouse pointer. Whenever I'm doing these, I always drag the left corner because when my mouse gets there, my finger, if I'm doing touchscreen, it lights up white. It snaps in and opens up. We need to change this to be if touching our player. Mine's Devin. So if the strawberry touches Devin, we've walked up to it and we've touched it, it's going to do this say block. And it's going to say strawberries cost, this is my game, my example, so you would do your own. Strawberries cost 3 dimes and 4 pennies. That's what it's going to tell the player when they walk up there. So if I click the green flag and I touch the sprite, it'll pop up. Strawberries cost 3 dimes and 4 pennies. And if I move away, it goes away. And if I go back to it and touch it, it pops up again. And it'll stay there for 3 seconds or however long you want it to be. After it tells them what coins it is, we need this sensing ask block. And this is where we ask them the question. How many cents is 3 dimes and 4 pennies worth? And then it'll wait. So if I drag my player up there, it'll go through my story once I click the green flag, but it'll pop up that message. It's going through my whole narrative, but it's waiting right now. The code says ask and wait. How many cents is 3 dimes and 4 pennies? So we need to set up this condition to check, is their answer true? And this if then else is really powerful. It's this big capital E looking block. It goes right up underneath the ask, and it's touching the ask block. And we go to put in that space the equals block. Because we want to say if the answer equals the correct answer, then say good job. And if it's not, then we need to tell them to try again. So in my game, the answer to this question is 34 cents. 3 dimes and 4 pennies is worth 34 cents. And we get this answer bubble to put here. If answer equals 34 cents, we can say a message like, great job. And if they didn't type in the correct answer, we can say a message like, try again. If they get it correct, though, it needs to hide. And that's the last block. And that goes right here. If they get it correct, tell them that they did, great job, and then hide the sprite. Good job.